Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Priya Dev. I hope you will be great. So, we have a new brand tutorial with Swift and SwiftUI, and this is gonna be in a animation SwiftUI tutorial playlist in my channel. So, this is it. As you can see on my screen, we have this angular animation with the gradient of day and night. This is just a tutorial. You can use it in your apps. By the way, you can personalize it. So this is just for the learning, beginner-friendly tutorial, and this is early 2024 with Swift and SwiftUI. So before we jump to the coding, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this with your friends. And if you have any opinion, if you have any comments, if you have any question, you can write me down in the comment section. And don't worry about the code. I will put a link in the description to my GitHub repository for this project. And also check a playlist that I have in my channel for Swift and SwiftUI. There are plenty of videos that you can learn from it. And yep, you can level up your coding level with Swift and SwiftUI. So this is it. And as you can see on my screen, this is our final app. So let's jump to the coding. This is very easy tutorial. I think we're gonna build it in like 10 or 15 minutes. I don't know how much it takes, but this is a very easy tutorial. So I create a new project in my Xcode, and let me just do that. Yep, I select app for iOS, and I say Angular clock app here. Yep, let me just show you. Yep. Make sure the interface set to Swift UI and the language set to Swift, and don't include the test here. So next, and hit the create button. Here we go. The Xcode built a new blank project for us. So in our content view, let me just make some space here. So in our content view, we have an Angular gradient clock. So struct Angular gradient clock here. Yep. Confirm to view type, and here we have a Z stack. So let me just use mark Angular gradient clock. This is the cleanest way that you can build this app. So this is the best practice for you to get your Swift and SwiftUI and iOS apps in a clean way. So this is it. So let me just clear our body in the content view and say Angular gradient clock here. Yep, that's it. So this is our content view here, mark content view. Here you go, and here I have Instagram page. So if you're interested to it, you can follow me on Instagram at Priya Dev. This is my ID, and I will share some great video there. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So here we go. And here we have two struct here to add mark. Here we have clock face view. So struct clock face view and confirm to view type, and here it goes. And here we have a circle. So let me just add two variables here. So we have add private state, private variable for rotation. This is double type and equal to 0.0. And then we have a constant variable, so private static let of gradient equal to Angular gradient here, and Here we have gradient, and for gradient we have gradient and colors. For the colors we have to use dot black and dot gray and dot white, and the center will be dot center, and the start angle, let me just close this and start angle dot degrees 0, and angle would be dot degrees 360. Yep, that's it. So here we have to say dot fill, and we have the gradient self gradient, and we have to frame it here. Let me just see what's going on here. I don't know what's going on here. Green. Let me just copy and paste this one here to make sure this is good. And we have to say self dot not gradient. Yep. We have to say private let. So here it goes, and we have to frame it with 1000 and height of 1000. Now let me just add it to this one, so clock face. Clock face view. Yep, that's it. And I wait for our preview here. Yep, that's it. So we have that rotation effect, and we have that degrees. We pass the rotation here, rotation, and we have the on appear. Here on appear, we have to stay with animation, and here with animation, we have the animation dot linear, and the duration will be 3, and repeat forever. Auto reverse call to false. False. Yep, that's it. Let me just see. Here we have to go like this, past this, and here we have the rotation. Rotation. Let me just refactor it. Spell rotation. Rotation, yep, rename, and here it goes. On the new y, that's reward, so equal to 360. And after that, we have the clip shape dot clip shape would be 0. And we can just close this one, and yep, I think we are good to go. Let me just see in our preview. Yep, good. And here we have to say mark and day, night, indicator. So struct day, night, indicator view here, and into view type, and this is the stack. So let me just do our view stack, and then I will add it to this one. So day, night, indicator view, and here it goes. So in our view stack we have two tags of day. That would be font. That system size and would be 50, and weight would be that regular, and design would be the default here, and offset would be y minus 200. Here it goes, and here we have another text for night, and again we have font, dot system size, and 50, and again weight dot regular, and design would be dot default, and foreground color would be dot white, foreground style would be dot white, and the offset y 300. Yep, here it goes like this, and let me just specify this. Foreground style would be dot white. We do dot black. So here it goes. This is our app. Easy to build in just like 10 minutes. We build this. So I hit the Command and R to build this app on Xcode. In the meantime, the app will build. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. And yep, I think we are good to go. Launching Angular Croc, attaching it. So this is it. We are waiting for the signature. Yep, that's it. So nice and so easy to build. So this is our Angular clock with the rotation effect animation, and yep, this is it. So hope you enjoyed this video, this tutorial. Hit the like button, and see you in the next one. Until the next one, practice until you make it, and be safe, close, and have a good day. Bye bye.